Welcome. If you're looking to back up your photos and videos automatically to Dropbox, you'll need to make sure the app has permission to access your camera. In this updated guide, I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to allow camera access for Dropbox on your phone. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open your device's settings. This is where you control all the permissions for your apps, including Dropbox. Next, scroll down and look for the section called Apps. Depending on your device, it might also be called App Management or Applications. Tap to open it. Now you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Scroll through the list until you find Dropbox, then tap on it to open the app's settings. Inside the Dropbox settings, look for a menu called Permissions. This is where you can manage what Dropbox is allowed to access on your device, such as your files, contacts, and of course, your camera. Tap on Permissions. Here you'll see a list of features that Dropbox can request access to. Find Camera in the list and tap on it. You'll be given a few options, such as Allow Only while using the app, Ask Every Time, or Don't Allow. To make sure Dropbox can automatically upload your photos and videos, select Allow. This gives the app permission to access your camera and camera roll whenever it needs to back up your media. That's it. You've now enabled camera access for Dropbox. With this permission turned on, Dropbox can automatically upload your new photos and videos, keeping your memories safe and accessible from any device. If you ever want to change this permission, just follow these same steps and adjust the setting as needed. Thanks for watching. For more helpful tips on using Dropbox and other apps, don't forget to subscribe and check out our other videos.